Hello dear traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover USD versus Canadian dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Canadian dollar first. So basically what we got starting from the daily time frame is that yesterday we had a down day, so we had a fresh flip to the downside after the a breakout day basically from 2 trading days ago. USD CAD did a breakout but didn't have a follow through the very next day. So now we can see the rate of change is flipped to the downside, and that we got the consolidation, and from my perspective there is a chance for the downside continuation. But for now, the support at the 1.3 440, or I'd say 445, is holding. Based on what I see on the intra frames, we have a strong momentum that kicked in, and we traded below the previous day low. So I expect further downside continuation on this one, and I think that there is a chance for the lower prices. If we do another attempt to trade below 1.3443 or so, there is a chance for the lower prices and maybe even for the test of this whole support zone around 1.3370 or 1.3355. So watch for the potential downside continuation breakout. Speaking of the gold market, this is something that I also alerted you yesterday, that we had a perfect bull flag on an 8-hour time frame, and the daily time frame started, flipped up yesterday. So that was a strong trend update yesterday, and market already is trading above this 1930 level and holding above. So from my perspective, there is still a chance for the higher prices. Now the market already played of this a bull flag. So for the further upside, there is a still chance for the higher prices towards 1975 or 1985. But because the market, retested the high, and so I will say watch for some pullback on intraday for the further higher prices in the gold towards the the upside objectives. Because the downside is a very risky, intraday, and so upside opportunities will be preferable on intraday dips. Speaking of the crude oil, we saw basically that this support zone actually held very strong around 78.50, and market rejected yesterday, and now it's near the resistance zone again around this 82 mark. So what I would like to see here is I would like to see the market to trade above the previous day high and hold above. And if we can hold above this 82.50 area, then there is a chance for the higher prices towards 90 area. So definitely watch potential breakout and hold above this 82.50 area to confirm further upside movement. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, this crypto is in the cryptocurrency is in a strong trading range. So we can define here also on the 8-hour time frame. You can see clearly that we have this range, support zone, and we have resistance zone. So overall, I would like to see the breakout to confirm further direction. If market can break lower towards below the 20,000, let's say 400, and hold below, there is a chance for the pullback from the higher frames, and the market can maybe break 21,600 area then and hold above. Then we can open the door for higher prices, and maybe even for 22,500 area or 24,500 area. That will be all for this update. Hope that you did enjoy. Have a nice weekend, trade safe, and speak to you from next Monday.